Hello, welcome back once again in Principle of Electronic Communication practical session. So today in this practical session we are going to see the practical number experiment number 14, that is the radiation pattern of Yagi-Uda antenna. So in this experiment we have to see the radiation pattern of Yagi-Uda antenna. So in my lecture I have explained you what is Yagi-Uda antenna. So Yagi-Uda antenna is a unidirectional antenna where it radiates maximum in a one direction only, and in the other direction there are some minor radiations. So the radiation pattern of Yagi-Uda antenna, it radiates maximum in only one direction, that is it is having one major lobe, and in the opposite and in the other direction it radiates very less. So in the other direction, in the opposite direction, there is some small lobe and minor lobes are there. So it is mainly used for TV reception. As I have told you in my lecture, the Yagi-Uda antenna is mainly used for TV reception. Now what we have to do in this experiment, we have to take the readings how much particular this antenna it's radiating its energy in terms of current for different direction. So as we are able to see, we have angle of rotation. So by rotating the different angles, what amount of energy it is radiating, we have to note down that reading. So for this experiment, as you are able to see, we are having one receiving antenna from where we are going to receive the amount of radiation by a particular antenna, and this is our Yagi-Uda antenna. So this is a Yagi-Uda antenna which I have told you, which I have explained you in my theory, in my lecture. What we are able to see in this Yagi-Uda antenna, this is the main element which is known as what, folded dipole antenna, and in the front side we are having three elements which are known as directors. So these three elements are known as director, and in the back at the back side of this folded dipole antenna we are having one reflector. So this is the construction which we have seen in our lecture. So this is the Yagi-Uda antenna. So we are going to see how much amount of current it is going to radiate this particular antenna when we are going to apply the current to this antenna. So this is the current source from where we are giving the current to the particular antenna, from where we are radiating the energy, we are radiating the power, we are radiating the power in terms of current. So this is the current source. We are giving the current source from this particular generator block, and this current source we are applying to this antenna, and we are going to see how much amount of current it is going to be received by this particular receiving antenna at different direction. So we are going to see on this particular meter the amount of current going to be received by the particular this antenna. So for this experiment, what we have to do, first we are going to see the different angles of rotation. So as you are able to see, the mark position at it is 0 degree angle of rotation, 30 degree angle of rotation, 60 degree. So we are going to rotate the angle of rotation, and while rotating the angle of radiation, the amount of current going to be received by the receiving antenna, we are going to note down it reading. So in our observation, it has given the angles of rotation, and for the given angle of rotation, the amount of current going to be received by the receiving antenna, we are going to note down over here. So as we are able to see now, the angle of rotation is at 0 degree. So how much amount of current is received by this receiving antenna for 0 degree? So as we are able to see, the current reading is 102 microampere. So now I am going to change the angle of rotation. I am just showing you the, while changing I am not going to note down its reading, I am just showing you now I have kept the 30 degree. So for 30 degree angle of rotation, now the current receiving part is slightly reduced. Now it is showing something to be around 52 microampere. Similarly, now further we are going to change its position, angle of rotation. Now we have kept the angle of rotation at 60 degree. So for 60 degree, now slightly more reduction is done at the receiving antenna. Now it is showing, the current is showing 2 to 3 microampere. So in this way, as I am going to change the angle of rotation, I am now changing the 90 degree. So further it is shown for 90 degree, further it is showing the reduction in the current value. So this current reduction is going to be continue as I am changing the angle of rotation. I am not going to get any more receiving current at the receiving meter, because I have changed the angle of rotation. So as I am changing the rotation, I am not getting more number of current reception by the receiving antenna. So this current value is continuously showing 0.1 microampere only till when I am going to reach the original place where I have got the maximum current. So the original place where I have got the maximum current is 0 degree. So as I am changing, now I am moving towards the 0 degree, so there will be slightly increase in the receiving current also. So as I am increasing the angle of rotation coming near to the 0 degree, so it is going to be increased. So as I am moving towards the 0 degree angle of rotation, now I am getting the increasing receiving current also. So similarly, when I am going to reach to the 0 degree, so where 0 degree, for 0 degree which I got previously the 112, now I am getting 103, 100 plus microampere. So in this way, what we have observed in this Yagi-Uda antenna radiation pattern, that is, it is radiating maximum in only one particular direction. So it is radiating maximum in 0 degree direction, and in the other direction, as I am moving from 0 degree angle of rotation, the current reception goes on decreasing. So that's only this reading we have to note down in our observation. For my experiment, the 0 degree, for 0 degree I got the maximum current as 66 microampere. Now I am moving from the 0 degree for 13 degree, 60 degree, so slightly there is decrease in the current value. Now once again I am moving towards from 180 degree towards the 360 degree, then I am getting the increase in this current. So what we have observed in Yagi-Uda antenna, the Yagi-Uda antenna is radiate maximum in only one direction, and in the other direction this having the radiation is very less, very minimum. So this thing we have to plot it on the radiation pattern graph also. So I have plotted the radiation pattern of this Yagi-Uda antenna for my experiment. Now what we have to do for plotting this radiation pattern, first we want to convert this current reading into decibels, because we are going to plot these particular readings in terms of decibels, dB. So how we are able to convert this current reading in decibels? For that, it is a very simple thing. First we have to note down the what is the maximum current in the all the readings. First we have to note down the current maximum, Imax. So what is the maximum current reading which we are receiving for this observation? So as we can see in this observation, the maximum current received by the receiving antenna is 66 at 0 degree, or you can say 360 degree. It is showing maximum current received by the receiving antenna is 66 microampere. So 66 is the maximum current reading. So for converting it into decibel, the simple formula, whatever the current value you are getting, divide it by current max and take 10 log of that. So for example, if I am going to calculate for the 0 degree the decibel, so I am getting the 66 degree, and 66 degree is also the maximum current value. So 66 divided by 66, you will get 1, and take the log of answer, you will get 0. So 10 log of 0, it is nothing but 0 only. So 10 log of 0, 10 log of 1, sorry, 10 log of 1, because it is the formula 10 log of I upon Imax. So 10 log of I upon Imax, the current reading of this particular 0 degree is 66, and the maximum value is also 66. So we have to take 10 log of 66 divided by 66. So you will get 0 dB. So that's why I have written over here 0 dB. Now for example, if I want to calculate for 13 degree, for 30 degree the current receiving is 13. So for that, simply I have to just change the 66 value to 13 only. So 10 log of I, that is this current reading, I means current reading for 30 degree, the current is 13, divide by Imax. So the total, in the total observation, the maximum current is 66. So 10 log of 13 divided by 66 equal to, now I am getting in decibel minus 7 dB. So that's why I have put it over here minus 7.05 dB. Similarly, you can take for any other different value also. For example, if I am taking the for 210, the current receiving is 16.7. So for that also 10 log of I divided by Imax, the current is 16.7 divided by Imax. Imax is 66 in all the readings. So I am getting minus 5.96. So in this way we are going to convert all this current reading into the decibels by taking the simple formula 10 log of I divided by Imax. In all the reading, what is the maximum current value? You just have to note down that value only and divide it with each and every reading. Now for plotting the radiation pattern, what we have to do, we have to mark the dB circles. So for example, this outer circle I have note down it with 0 dB. This outer circle is known by 0 dB circle. Then the second outer is known by minus 5 dB. This marking is dependent upon you. You can give the marking with your readings. So minus 5 dB, minus 10 dB, minus 15 dB, minus 20 dB, minus 25 dB and minus 30 dB. So I have marked the dB circles as depending upon my readings. I have note down, I have marked it as minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25 and minus 30. Now you have to so for 0 degree angle I have plot minus 16.7. so for 0 dB minus 16.7 over here only. This is minus 20, so that's why minus 16 over here. Similarly for 30 degree minus 24.8. so for 30 degree angle of rotation minus 24.8, that is the minus 25, so minus 24.8. Similarly for 60 degree minus 27.88, for 60 degree minus 27.88, because this is minus 25, so minus 26 minus 27 will be here only. And now directly taking for example I am taking the angle for 180 degree. 180 degree I am getting 0 dB. So 180 degree, this is 180 degree I have plotted on 0 dB. This is the 0 dB circle. So in this way you are able to mark your points, and just simply with the help of pencil you can connect this all the point. So in this way you are able to get maximum radiation at the one side and minimum variation at the other side. So this is the radiation pattern for your dipole antenna. So the radiation pattern of dipole antenna is simply maximum radiation in one direction and minor radiation in the other direction. I hope you will be understand it properly. If you are having any doubt, if you have not understood anything, you can directly comment me, message me. Definitely I will try to explain you properly. So once again, thank you very much for listening and watching. Thank you very much.